behalf of the flight crew on Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Austin, Texas. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened, your seat backs and tray tables in their full upright and locked positions, and all your carrying items stowed until we reach the gate. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful in opening overhead bins. Items from the ship during flight could fall out. This is the termination of this flight. Please double check your seat back pockets and your seating area for any valuables may be taken out. Once you get off the aircraft, you are not allowed back on to retrieve anything. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our evening with you. We know you have many choices when you fly. We thank you for choosing Southwest. Welcome to Austin.